What do you want? I mean, what do you really want? Have you ever wondered what time you should get up in the morning in order to make your dreams come true? It's quite simple. Just look at your goals. Those goals that you've been setting for yourself for a while now. Every single one of them. Look at them. Look at your goals. Look straight into them. Because they're the ones that will tell you what time you should get up every morning. Visualize what you're going to do today to get more out of your life. Do it every day, and every day you'll love the life you have created for yourself. Success is not convenient. You have to do what is required to accommodate success. There are opportunities that are going to come your way, and there might be some other things going on in your life. You have to make a choice. You have to ask yourself how I'm about to use my time. Is it positive? Is it productive? Is it profitable? Is it purposeful? Is it leading me into the direction that I want to lead my life? Does it give meaning to my life? Sometimes we're not where we want to be because we rather make excuses than make adjustments. The more grateful you are, the more grace shows in your life and mirrors the gratitude you have. Somebody could have everything and not appreciate it, and it feels like they have nothing. Somebody could have very little, but they feel so grateful and appreciative, they feel like they have everything. Make sure your daily attitude is filled with love and gratitude. Some things might be less than perfect as we speak, but you woke up this morning and you're breathing. That's a blessing. If you're still breathing, you have an opportunity to be achieving. Start your day by counting your blessings and give thanks for every new opportunity, every morning, every new day. Rejoice and be grateful, because only through being grateful for how far you've come on your path can you leave room for more blessings to flow. Blessings live, flow, and abound in a grateful heart. Even in undesirable situations, be grateful. In the midst of crisis, be grateful. Be grateful because you have sense enough to turn it around. You have creativity, and best of all, you're alive. And on that note, I want to deeply thank all of you who have supported this project. Thank you for your patience, for your advice and comments, for everything you contribute. Thank you for your encouraging words that on many occasions are the ones that give me strength to continue. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos and comment. I understand that your time is one of the most valuable things, and I really appreciate you taking your valuable time to listen to this. Thank you very much, and I thank God for your life. Wherever you are, I send you a big hug with all my love. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours.